Well, that's what I'm looking at. This looks safe. Well, it's 45 degrees on a Saturday, April 6th, 5th, because I remember that because I got a car payment today. Well, it's here in North Texas, and it's, raining and wet, and we had some storms come through, and we're going to take these trees out that fell over. Check this out. Big old elm tree, the top of it cracked over. Way up in there. It's way bigger than it looks. Got to get all that down, throw it on the trailer. Got another one down here I'll show you. I'm going to zoom in on this one so you can get a perspective of how big it is. Look at that monster over there. Yep. That's it. A big one. Got to get it out of there, cut it down, and put it on the pile. Let's do this. All right. I'm about to get started on this. This is my little brother. He's going to be filming most of it, probably.
What?
Film me.
For real?
Yeah, just hold it there and let me do
Oh, okay.
let me do some cut. Yeah. That's a mess right there. My hands are already freezing.
Dang.
How many cars like over 1,000 for this? That's insane. I'm not gonna know what to do. Got a Tarzan. Perfect.
Whoa, son.
Perfect. Need to cut some of these up too. I don't know if me and you can pull that. Oh, I see. Okay. I don't think me and you can pull that. Keep filming just a second.
So you're gonna try it alone? You don't think we both can? Got it.
Get that?
Yes.
Perfect. that way. It's like 35 degrees out here now. It's getting cold and windy. It's really cold. There you go, Mike. Okay, done with that one. It's on the trailer. Let's move on to that big boy down there. Man, you know that's probably like quicksand. Not too bad. Oh, yeah, I was sucking right there a lot. Try to stay in the grass. Yeah, that's a mess right there. Ooh, sinking up there too. Watch out. What a mess. Well, we took the first load over to the burn pit. We're gonna throw it up on there while it's burning all this green stuff. It probably won't burn, but anyways, we'll see. How's that look? Good with the trailer?
Yeah.
Green wet stuff ain't gonna burn, cuz. Looks like it's burning. Alright, I'm back here at this tree, dragging brush to a pile over there. It's really wet and cold. By myself now. Pretty muddy. Well, getting really muddy, but I'm powering through. Look at this. It's like a jungle. It's like Ireland out here too. Crazy. Might have to call it. It's getting pretty wet. You can see the rain now. I'll be back tomorrow though. Okay, I'm back the next day. It's even colder today. It's 39 right now on April 6th. I'm just gonna start hacking away at it. Dragging this brush, this mud, is terrible. But I'm putting a dent in it, as you can see. This is just fun. Whoa! Oh! Okay. Well, they're all really caught up there. Well, you can kind of see the fence now. Fix have to get the ladder and get up there and cut all that out of there. Time for some more dragging first. Pretty clear now. One more big one here. Then I gotta get up there and take all that out. Here's a view from far away, how much better it looks. About to be the fun part, getting up in there. Well, that's what I'm looking at. This looks safe. Well, I forgot to film cutting all this up, but there you go. Now I just gotta drag it. There's still one piece up in there I gotta get. Sunlight came out. Got a nice pile going there. About done. Three logs left. Well, done with that. Then I noticed this. Where did this come from? I'm gonna have to cut that out of there and drag that thing. Way over there. Don't fall over. Yep, got her done. Let's get out of here.